I don't chase, I attract. Everything meant for me comes right back. I am magnetic naturally. What I desire desires me. I'm moving ease, I'm moving flow. I live in flow, I move with grace. Everything finds me with perfect pace. I am supported in all I do. Life is generous, kind and true. I don't question, I don't doubt. Abundance is my normal, it's who I am. I don't need to try, I don't need a plan. It comes in waves, it comes in streams, it comes in ways beyond my dreams. To me, I feel complete, I feel at peace. I don't need to do more, I don't need to try. Everything comes to me right on time.